is really weird. I'm actually so excited about it. I just woke up, well, like 30 minutes ago, but you know, same thing. A couple months ago, there was this tag going around that was your Instagram followers controlling your life for a day. So I was like, what else could I do? And then I just thought of Tinder. I'm gonna make a Tinder and we're gonna have the Tinder guys control my life for a day. The first thing that I say to them is, what do I eat for breakfast? Or like bagels or eggs, like nothing else, just asking them that. So hopefully they'll reply. Kind of nervous. Also, this is just for entertainment purposes. I have a boyfriend. So I asked my boyfriend if it would be okay for me to do this video and he said yes, like it'd be so funny. I feel really bad for these Tinder boys because they're probably trying to look for someone, but like, I need a video, I need content. So I'm gonna apologize at the end of this video to them, you know, just because I feel bad, so. Don't forget to subscribe, it's down below, and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload a new video, just that little bell thing, so definitely click it. I'm really hungry, so we need to get this going. So we're gonna make the Tinder. Let's create your new account. Okay, my first name, Sarai. My best pics. I have the weirdest pictures on here, I'm so sorry. So I just have one picture of myself, and then I was like, okay, I really like this meme, so we're gonna put this meme in there. If you guys haven't seen this meme, where have you been in the Twitter world? Then I put a picture of Toby, my cat, and Troy, because they need to know, like, we're a package deal. I wanted the most cringiest bio ever, and I feel like a lot of girls have this, no shade. My boyfriend sent this to me because I was like, what should my bio be? Coffee drinker, cat lover, book enthusiast. Is that how you say the word? Okay. Wine girl, which I'm not a wine girl, I'm a tequila girl, so we need to change that. If you're looking for a hookup, just swipe left. Let's get started. I'm so nervous. I'm just gonna swipe right on all of these. No, I went to high school with him. Guys, we're getting matches. I'm so pumped. Oh my God, we got messages. Oh, I'm not good at all this, but I like your cats. Thank you. Hi, me neither. I know, right? They're iconic. I have a serious question. Oh, he's already typing! Do I eat a bagel or eggs or oatmeal? Okay, he better reply. I'm hungry. Aaron, hey, how are ya? Hi, I'm good. How are you? I have a question. Do I eat a bagel, eggs? Oh my gosh, he's responding so quickly. Eggs or oatmeal. What is he typing? Oh, go ahead and ask. Okay, thank you. Isaiah replied, said, I think a bagel and eggs would do. Not a big fan of oatmeal, lol. So I guess bagel and eggs. Let's go make breakfast. Hi, what's up? I know what you're thinking, I messed up. I feel like no one's gonna take me seriously, but I only eat burnt bagels. I know. I wonder if we can get like a satisfying shot of this. Oh yeah. It just fell off. I'm gonna see if we have any new messages. We got messages! Jay sent a Giphy. Jiffy? It's not loading. Let's cuddle. So you like Coke and cats? No, just cats. Let's go look at his bio. I love food, weights, traveling, and eating. Right. So I'm gonna be going to the gym, so I feel like this question is perfect for him because he likes going to the gym and stuff. So I'm gonna ask him, so you like weightlifting? I see you. What do I work out today? Leg day or upper body, you choose. He replied so quick. Okay, Eric said, yeah, I'm a personal trainer. You like to lift too? Legs, it's hump day. He is right about that. It is Wednesday. I'm doing legs today too. Okay, I guess we're doing legs. So I don't know what I'm gonna wear, so I'm gonna ask them Nike or Adidas. Are you a real profile? Yes, Nike or Adidas. A said, Nike, I guess. Oh, you. I'm gonna say Nike. So let's get ready for the gym. Okay, so I put Nike on and now I'm gonna put my shoes on. Hey, I just took a shower. I didn't have time to wash my hair. I'm gross, I know. Now it's time for my makeup and hair. I'm gonna ask these guys if I should wear glam makeup or natural makeup. We got a lot of replies ever since we came back from the gym. We love that. We're gonna ask Kayshawn. Hi, I need help. Do I wear natural or glam makeup today? Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste this to all of them. If I see any of these guys in public, the grandpa who ate paint is so funny. Agreed, love that. I feel so weird being on this app. I wanna get off right now. So far, we've asked 3 guys. None of them have replied. What's up with the cat pics? Hello, those are my children. What makeup do I wear? Rob replied, glam hard or go home, I think. Okay, so I guess I'll wear glam makeup. Thank you, Rob. He said happy to help. I'm gonna do my makeup, so let's do this. I was so nervous that it would take forever for these guys to respond, but Chris just replied and he said, ooh, go for the glam, smiley face. So confused because I feel like that would be such a weird question to ask the first time that you DM someone. I feel like these guys are replying in a way that's like, it's not weird that I just asked them that for my first thing that I said to them. Does that make sense? I'm confused, but they're cooperating. Okay, so I just did my makeup. I haven't put my lip stuff on. It's in my room. This is pretty much what I wear when I do wear a full face of makeup, so it's nothing really special. Now I'm gonna ask these guys what I should do with my hair, so if I should wear up or down. Alex said, well, how should I know that? Is that a serious question? Yes. Absolutely. Do I wear my hair up or down today? Are you real? Yes. Do I wear my hair up or down today? Oh, why hello there. Hi, Andrew. I messaged 5 guys, so we shall see. Can I smash? No. Why did he send me that emoji? No one is replying. Oh my. Andrew replied and he said up, so let's do that. Trevor replied too and he said up in a pony. I'm pretty much all ready. I was gonna send them an outfit option, but you can't send pictures on Tinder, so I just chose this outfit. But the lighting is really bad, but it just looks like this, so yep. I'm feeling Starbucks, so I'm gonna ask them what I should get from Starbucks. I just got to Starbucks and I don't think any of the guys have responded. I need to know right now. I've sent so many messages. I feel like this one's like more weird because I'm like, what's a good drink to get at Starbucks? Okay, so I just got to Target. There's so many cute things. Oh my gosh. I feel so awkward because whenever I start vlogging, someone walks into the aisle and I'm like, yeah. I literally don't need anything here, but just walking around. I'd feel like a queen sitting in that chair. Guys, I'm literally so awkward I cannot. Oh my god, I thought that was a person. Okay, so I just messaged so many guys asking Taco Bell or Panera. Yeah, I messaged so many guys. Just a second, sorry.
No worries, take your time.
I can't believe I acted like I didn't know what I wanted, but I was just setting up my camera to get the shot.
Hi.
Hi.
Fine.
Sorry.
Sorry, no worries.
I'm so excited. Got some chips. Shout out to Tinder guys for choosing this. Oh my gosh, yup. Oh my god. Why am I not capable of doing anything? Wow, okay. I'm trying to like ASMR for you guys too. Ready? Then I got a chicken quesadilla. Oh yeah. Yup. Oh my gosh. This is so good. If you have never tried the Cinnamon Delights at Taco Bell, you are missing out. It is, oh my gosh. That's what they look like. They have like this filling inside of it. It's, oh, hello. I'm just gonna finish up and eat all of this and I will be right back. Hi guys, so it is a little bit later. I'm in my room right now and I'm pretty much just chilling. The last thing I'm gonna ask these guys and then I'll leave them alone. I feel so bad. I'm gonna ask them which Netflix show I should watch. So we're gonna do that. I'm literally so annoying. Fave Netflix show. 1, 2, 3, go. So stupid. Okay, I'm just gonna send this all to them, so we'll see. Okay guys, so I'm gonna watch the show, but I'm ending the video right here. I wanna say sorry to these guys. I feel so bad. Okay, I'm curious. Comment below letting me know if you guys have any weird Tinder experiences or if you've ever went on a Tinder day or any of that. I love you guys so much. Definitely subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just that little bell thing, so definitely click it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!